So yeah, do you want to make money online using your smartphone? Then this video is for you. Okay, so let's get right in. So the first thing to do is you can use TikTok, YouTube Short to post viral videos. Okay, so I'll give you examples. So TikTok and YouTube Shorts reward videos that get attention very fast. Okay, when your video actually goes viral, you can actually earn from it. Okay, so the creator fund, for example, the creator fund or short monetization, affiliate links. This way actually you promote products of other companies, then you get commission on it, you earn from that. Brand sponsorship, this way companies pay for shout outs, or they pay you to promote their name or their products on your channel. They will pay you. And the third one is if you have your own business that you are doing, you can advertise on your channel. Okay, so yeah, you are already scrolling on TikTok already, so why not just post something and make money from it? It's just simple. Create short videos today, to start making money from it today. Your first videos could actually, your first viral video could actually change everything for you. Okay, start making pretty money. So let's get right in. Then okay, so yeah, we also have platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, which you can use to connect with clients that will pay you to do small jobs, which is called gigs or freelance. Okay, so there are examples of things you can do on their app, Fiverr and Upwork. You can actually, number one, you can use Canva to design. Okay, Canva for design. CapCut, you can actually use CapCut for short videos editing. 3, Google Docs for writing. Then 4, ChatGPT for writing support or quick ideas. If you want ideas, maybe you want to get more ideas to do videos or to go viral, you can actually use ChatGPT will give you ideas to do that. So once your profile is set up and your clients are actually there ready to hire you, and Fiverr or Upwork pays you directly to your PayPal, bank or mobile money. Okay, so no third party, PayPal, bank or mobile money. Okay, yeah. So I'll give you examples of jobs that you can do from your phone. Okay, so let me see here. We have the first one is logo design using Canva. The second one, social media post. The third one, we have voiceover or video captions. Okay, then the fourth one, we have writing product description. Then the fifth one is simple video editing or subtitling, which if you are actually a YouTuber, you can actually do those things to earn pretty money from it. Sorry. So if you have got a phone and internet, that's all you actually need to be making money on Fiverr and Upwork today. And your first client might actually be waiting for you, so make sure you check that up. Then we have Canva and ChatGPT. So yeah, you don't actually need to be a designer or a writer to make money online. Apps like Canva and ChatGPT can do 80% of the work for you, which I will testify, okay, that we're doing a pretty job for me. Okay, especially ChatGPT has been actually writing my description, my title, giving me ideas. So yeah, even this video. So yeah, you can actually check that out. So with just your phone, you can actually use Canva to design things like, I'll list them below: logos, flyers, social media posts, business cards, and thumbnails. Okay, and with ChatGPT, you can create amazing things like caption for Instagram or TikTok, blog posts and product descriptions, script for YouTube videos, then business proposal or marketing messages. ChatGPT and Canva can do that for you. So check that out. Then, so your phone, your phone actually is your design studio, and ChatGPT is your creative partner. So just find a way, just get your internet and start selling a digital skill today. Okay. So yeah, number 4, we have you have to sell items through Facebook Marketplace or WhatsApp service. Okay, or WhatsApp. Yeah. So sell items or services through Facebook Market or WhatsApp. So I'll explain that to you. So Facebook Market and WhatsApp are 2 of the best free tools for selling products or services online now. So you don't actually need a website, you don't need to pay for advertisements. You just post whatever you are offering and let people actually contact you directly. Okay, so yeah, you can sell things like you can actually sell things like used furniture or electronics, fashion, shoes or bags, homemade food or snacks, maybe drinks, a car wash or movie service. Like I have a company that we do movie service, also car wash. So if you actually need somebody to come to your house or to come and help you with relocating to a different place, please contact me. I'll put my email in the description for you to do that, okay? Then we have household or cleaning service. You can actually also contact me again. I'm there for you. Then how this actually works, okay? So let me show you how to actually post and get people to actually contact you to make a sale on Facebook and WhatsApp, okay? So the first thing to do is take a clear photo. The photo actually, or the video must be very clear, neat. And then the product, and then or what you are offering, whether it's I don't know, whatever you want to offer, whatever you want to sell. It might be a house, a car, whatever you want to sell. The thing must be clear, the photo must be clear, the video must be clear, okay? So now the second thing you have to do is you have to write a short, catchy or description, include the price and contact info, okay? Because people will need your contact and the price if they want to buy from you, right? Yeah, they need to contact you, so put that into the description. Then you have to post it on Facebook Marketplace in the local, and then in the local groups, okay? So I think if you are actually on Facebook, you must be in some few local groups or international groups, right? You share those your product into those groups, and you let people contact you. Then so yeah, that's it. You share, then you also share to your WhatsApp status or your friends, then you let them post for you. Then you get more views or more customers from there too. Then the last thing you have to do is actually respond. So if you have done all that I've said, then they are messaging you, they want to buy from you, and then you are not responding, that's actually a big problem. Then everything is just back to square zero, okay? Just to zero. So now you have to respond when people are actually messaging you, and that's how you actually close deal. You make a sale, then you get some money, okay? So if you actually like this video, please make sure you share, you like, you subscribe, and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching.